It's no secret that Microsoft has finally decided to bring back the movable taskbar in Windows 11, along with several other exciting features. Unfortunately, most of these features are currently limited to the Windows Insider program. And let's be honest, not everyone wants to run a preview build of Windows just to try them out. That's where this easy alternative comes in. Now head over to Windhawk website, link in the description. Go onto this download icon, click on it. So done with the download, gonna run the setup, click on that, click OK, next, choose yes when notified, click on next, install it, click on finish. To gain access to all the mods, click on explore. Now search for vertical taskbar for Windows 11. There you have it, click on details, click install, then click install again. Okay, now here is a vertical taskbar on the left side. And of course, in Windhawk, we're allowed to make some changes. So head on to settings and under the taskbar location, you can expand it here, then choose right. Click on save settings. Now the taskbar is on the right side. The Windows 11 version allows you to move the taskbar to the top, but I don't know who would want to use the taskbar at the top anyway. So in Windhawk, you only have two options, which is the left or the right. So it's your choice where you want it to be. And if you go down here to taskbar width, you can change the size of it. If you want it to be a bit smaller, type 60. Click on save settings. Now it's looking compact and better actually. If you go down here, for those who use multiple displays, you can choose the location of your taskbar. I'm just going to leave it on the default, and if you go down here, now under jump list vertical alignment, I think I'm just going to leave it this way. I think it's just perfect at the top. I'm going to leave this on default. If you go to start menu vertical alignment, and if we look at the start menu, now first of all, it has this nice animation when it opens, which I actually like. And if you want to change the position, you can change it to the bottom if you want. Click save settings. If you go back here, now the start menu is popping out from the bottom. Now if we change it to the center, click save settings. Okay, I think I prefer this one. I like the way it's centralized. So what if you want to make this bigger? You can make this bigger if you want. Now we can change it to 100 and click save settings. Right click on the taskbar, click on taskbar settings. Now scroll down here, then expand taskbar behaviors. Then down here, under combine taskbar buttons and hide labels, go right here, change it to never. Now we can see all the open tabs are labeled. The downside, it makes the taskbar a bit messy. To change it back, you can just go back here, then change it back to always. I'm going to close that, head on back to Windhawk. I'm going to change this one back to 60. Click save settings. If you want to go back to the default taskbar, click on the home button, go to the right side here, then click on the toggle to disable it. It is that easy to get back to your default taskbar. If you want to completely remove this mode, you can just go ahead and click on remove here to remove the mode completely. And also, if you don't want to use Windhawk anymore, you can uninstall it just the way you uninstall every other application. So that's gonna be all for now, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my future posts. Drop your likes and also share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day. Peace out.